Yes. We are back, man. Main J's TV. The drop of the Wolf Grade 5s today, man. But today we going with those black tones, man. Bringing those things out. Dead start action with the matching Jordan T. That's what we do on this channel over here. And we all about the retro game, man. MJ at his finest. But yeah, who hit on those Wolf grades today? How y'all feel about them? Video dropping soon with the OGs. So like, comment, subscribe. Main J's TV. Put these bad boys on and we out.